Unit 5, Similarity. Number 1. Jasmine enlarged a drawing she made in art class. What is the value of x? A, 16, B, 40, C, 58.75, D, 90. Number 2. Which of these is not true for similar figures? F. Similar figures contain congruent corresponding angles. G. Similar figures contain congruent corresponding sides. H. Similar figures contain proportional corresponding sides. J. Similar figures contain the same shape. Number 3. A building is 20 feet tall and casts a 12-foot shadow. A person who is standing right next to the building casts a 3-foot shadow. How tall would the person be? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 4. In the figure below, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. What is X, the length of the missing side? F, 5 inches, G, 6 inches, H, 7.5 inches, J, 12 inches. Number 5. The triangles below are similar. Which statement about the triangles is true? A. The corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are proportional. B. The corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are congruent. C. The corresponding angles are proportional and the corresponding sides are proportional. D. The corresponding angles are proportional and the corresponding sides are congruent. Number 6. Which method could be used to prove they are similar? F. Divide 4.5 by 1.5 and 9 by 3 to see if the quotients are the same. G. Divide 4.5 by 3 and 9 by 1.5 to see if the quotients are the same. H. Divide 3 by 9 and 1.5 by 9 to see if the quotients are the same. J. Divide 1.5 by 9 and 3 by 4.5 to see if the quotients are the same. Number 7. Which would show that these two triangles are similar? A. The corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are congruent. B. The corresponding angles are proportional and the corresponding sides are proportional. C. The corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are proportional. D. The corresponding angles are proportional and the corresponding sides are congruent. Number 8. The figure shows two similar triangles. Which of the following is true about the length of side X? F. It is proportional to side AC. G. It is proportional to side CB. H. It is proportional to side AB. J. It is proportional to side BC. Number 9. The Empire State Building is 1,250 feet tall and casts a 40.5-foot shadow. The Eiffel Tower is 984 feet tall. How long would the shadow be? A. About 32 feet. B. About 51 feet. C. About 330 feet. D. About 150 feet. Number 10. Which shows that these two rectangles are similar? F. D over C equals B over A. G. A over D equals B over C. H. A over C equals D over B. J, D over C equals A over B. Number 11. Cassie has a family photograph that measures 3 inches wide and 5 inches long. She wants to enlarge the photograph and hang it on the wall. If the length of the enlarged photograph is 37.5 inches, what is the width of the enlarged photograph? A, 7.5 inches, B, 22.5 inches, C, 35.5 inches, or D, 62.5 inches. Number 12. Julie was looking at the architect's blueprints of her house. The scale on the blueprint was 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot. On the blueprint, what are the dimensions of her bedroom if the actual dimensions of her bedroom are 12 feet by 16 feet? F, 6 inches by 8 inches, G, 8 inches by 12 inches, H, 3 inches by 4 inches, or J, 48 inches by 64 inches. Number 13. On a map in a geography textbook, the scale is 1 inch equals 60 miles. What is the actual distance for a map distance of 4 1/4 inches? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 14. Find the value of x. F, 2.1 centimeters. G, 5.46 centimeters. H, 4 centimeters. J, 8 centimeters. Number 15. Mrs. Simmons projected an image on a screen that had a length of 27.5 inches. If the image on the transparency had a length of 11 inches and a width of 8.5 inches, what was the width of the projected image? A, 19.5 inches, B, 21.25 inches, C, 25 inches, D, 36 inches. And the answer to number 16 is G.